What's going on, guys? Eric with the Wisco Guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you what's going on. So, by the title of it, I'm sure a lot of people are dealing with this or dealt with it, or my window motor's a little crunchy and it's not really working. So we're going to get that back up there. There. So we're going to change out the window regulator and motor because this one just does not want to go back up or down or whatever. It's just crunching too hard. So first things first, we're going to get this door panel off. So let's get this cover off. If you've seen the previous video, we did a mirror on this truck. Go check that out if you need to do a mirror on your truck. Just going to leave that right there. So that's off. Next, we're gonna get the bezel off. So I'm just using like a little pry tool. I'm just gonna pry that up. And that's out. Perfect. Next, we're gonna take out the little bezel right here around the handle. Put that off to the side. Alrighty. Also, we're going to take this little bezel off. And there's our lock bezel. Alright, so now we have a few bolts exposed. We have a bolt here, a bolt just under the handle itself, right down here. I like the door handle or the door shut handle right there, along with there should be some on the bottom. Okay, there's one on the bottom right here. So let me grab a socket and we'll get those taken out. Alrighty, so I got my 7mm socket here. Just gonna take set those off to the side. I'm going to take the one off the bottom too. Alright, and then put that one off to the side. Alright, so next what I want to do is I'm going to unclip these connectors here. Just a push tab. Okay, so that's out of the way. You can just lift up on this door panel and it should come off. Speaker, little tweeter here. Just gonna pull that off. Alright, I just pulled the whole thing out. So here we go. Let's put this off to the side. Alright, next step, I'm gonna get this out of the way, this handle, just so we have more room to work. I'm gonna grab a 10mm socket. That out of the way, should slip right out. There we go, put that off to the side. There we go, now we got our door exposed. Now peel this stuff back gently, you don't want to tear it. I'm just going to leave it like that, just for the time being, because we're going to put that back on. So now we have the regulator exposed, as you can see here, bottom, top. So yeah, we got everything exposed. So let's tape up the window. Let's get that taped up. Alright, I think that's enough tape. Alrighty, as we look here, we have one bolt here for the window to clamp, or for the window to get clamped onto. So we're going to loosen those up. And one over here on the inside of the door. Okay, so those are both loose. Now, there should be 3 bolts per side, so 6 in total. One on the top, one in the middle, and one on the bottom. Just gonna undo these. So I got all those out. I'm gonna undo the clip here for the motor. There we go. Now it's unhooked. Okay. So this should just come right out. So the motor definitely goes on to the front side of the door. That should be it there. Like I said, you're going to want to grab it on these hooks right here. Just get it slotted into there where that bolt is. And you're going to want to you don't want to just finger tighten your bolts in there, just so they're there so they don't, so this thing doesn't fall. Alright, now that we got those bolts all finger tight, we're just going to tighten them up a little bit. Okay. So now they got that tight, we got to plug in the harness so we can get the regulator moving again. Got to plug in the motor too. There we go. So we should have power. Okay. So we do have power. So now what we're going to do is we're going to loosen up. Loosen up those. Alright, so I see it right here. I'm just gonna stick this in there. Loosen her up. And we're gonna move the regulator up into the window. See, now it's bottomed out. I'm just going to tighten these. Alrighty, we should have the window connected. We're just going to take some of this tape off. I want to go all the way down because that seemed, well, halfway down is when I had the issues. Let's see if we're in the track though. There we go, auto. Perfect. So we're working. Perfect, now we just gotta put it all back together. Alright, that's pretty much it. Let's try it one more time with everything on. Perfect. There we go. That's pretty much it. Got her. That makes me so happy. Alrighty guys, so new regulator's in. It's working great. Old regulator, done. Don't have to worry about that. Whew. Sweating, it's humid. I think it's been raining a little bit, but got her done. It's gonna be nice to have a window back again, so. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. We're still doing more to this truck pretty much every weekend, doing something to it. So it's definitely coming along. And if you guys want to see what's going on, definitely subscribe. Hit that notification bell too, so you get a notification when we work on this truck. So, all right guys, have a good day or night. And thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye.